Welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take a right financial and investment decision.
What are passive funds? Why it is called as passive investing? Amit, could you please explain in a layman's term what are passive funds?
So passive fund is in a very simple way, cut, copy, paste. Let's say if I'm in an exam, there is somebody sitting next to me, okay, and I don't know what to write. I'm just looking at what he's writing or what she's writing, and then I'm just doing a similar copy. So whatever marks she gets or he gets, even I'll get the same marks. Passive fund is basically investing into an index like Nifty. Okay, so it is the fund manager is exactly buying the same stocks and the same weightage of the Nifty. So today, if Nifty goes up by 2%, your fund has gone up by 2%. In 5 years, if Nifty gives 20% return, your fund will also give 20% return. So basically, it's just doing a cut, copy, paste of Nifty. You'll get only benchmark returns.
Thanks for your precise answer.
If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.